This is Logitech mobile speakerphone P710e. This is the manual. This is a pin. This is the volume down button, volume up button. You can increase the volume by pressing this button and then decrease the volume by pressing this button. You can accept the call using this button and decline the call using this button. Reject the call by using this button. This is a plug-and-play microphone cum speaker. You just need to insert this USB cable into your laptop or computer. You can use adapter also here. This is the battery indicator, charging battery indicator, and this is the Bluetooth button. This is the power off button, power on and power off button. So let's connect this with my laptop. See, device is detected. This is the battery indicator. Now let's play music. You have to change the music device from internal music to the Logitech. Simply you have to click on the speaker volume in the taskbar and then click in this option and then select echo cancelling speakerphone Logitech. Now play. You can decrease the volume. You can use this microphone cum speaker as mobile phone holder also. See, just push this and then this. Put your mobile phone here and then use this insert pin to fix your mobile phone so that it cannot fall like this. Logitech microphone cum speaker link is also given in the description. If you wish to purchase, you can buy. Let's connect this microphone cum speaker with your laptop. So friends, at first you have to power on your microphone cum speaker device. So just press power button. Is the power on. Now you have to press the Bluetooth button. See, this is the Bluetooth button. You just need to press this Bluetooth button. See, the light becomes blue. That means Bluetooth is active. Now we have to find this Bluetooth in your laptop or mobile phone. You have to click on add Bluetooth and other device. Then again click this Bluetooth button. See, it finds your device, Logitech speaker P710e. Now click on it. It is connecting. So this is connected. See. Then click done. Now play any music. Remember I have removed this cable. Let's play music. Just tap on to increase or decrease the volume. When you connect it on through video call, you just need to tap on here to mute your call, and to unmute just tap on this. Your microphone is mute now. See, the microphone, it is red, that means your microphone is mute. To unmute, you just need to tap on again this microphone button. Now let's connect P710e with your mobile phone. So at first we have to power on this device. Press and hold to power on. Just press and hold the Bluetooth button. See, Bluetooth is on. Now you have to turn on Bluetooth in your mobile phone. This is the Bluetooth. See, you will find Logitech speakerphone P710e. Just connect, tap on it to connecting. It is pairing. Just tap on pair. It is connected. Now play any music. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, will learn how to change date and time in Redmi Note 10s. So friends, इस वीडियो में आप देख सकोगे कि कैसे Redmi Note 10s में date and time change किया जाता है. So friends, at first we have to go to the settings. Friends, सबसे पहले आप settings में जाना है, and then you have to scroll down. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.